Hello everyone, in this video we will try to learn about the preparation of McFarland standard. So these McFarland standards are used as a reference in order to adjust the turbidity of the bacterial suspension in a vial in a microbiology laboratory. It helps to maintain or ensure that the number of bacteria will be within a given range to standardize the testing. The McFarland standard can be prepared of the varying concentration ranging from 0.5 to 5, and depending upon the concentration, the cell count density varies. The most commonly used concentration, which is used for the antimicrobial susceptibility testing, is usually done by 0.5 McFarland. So, what is the principle behind these standards? It is a chemical solution of barium chloride and sulfuric acid, and the reaction between these two chemicals result in the production of fine precipitate of barium sulfate. And the turbidity of the McFarland standard is visually comparable to the bacterial suspension of a known concentration. Coming to the preparation, what are the constituents which we require is 1% solution of anhydrous barium chloride and 1% solution of sulfuric acid. Completely mixing the barium chloride and sulfuric acid solution will form a turbid suspension, and the resulting mixture is placed in a screw cap tube. So for the preparation of our first chemical reagent, we required concentrated H2SO4 already dispensed in a smaller test tube for ease. Along with it, we required distilled water, measuring cylinder, and pipette. For the preparation of our 1% volume by volume sulfuric acid, we require 10 ml of distilled water, which we are measuring with the help of a measuring cylinder. For the ease, we have already given the required calculation on the screen, which is will require for the 1% volume by volume sulfuric acid preparation. So the next step is to pour this 10 ml of distilled water in a test tube which is already labeled, and our next step will be to measure 0.1 ml of concentrated H2SO4 with the help of pipette. And we will pour this measured 0.1 ml of concentrated H2SO4 in the test tube with the distilled water. So with this, we have already prepared our first chemical reagent. So for the preparation of a second chemical reagent, which is barium chloride, according to the calculation given on your screen, we required 100 mg of barium chloride, which is already measured, and we are pouring it this 100 mg of the chemical reagent to the test tube with the label. Second step in the preparation is addition of 10 ml of distilled water. For it, we are taking measuring cylinder to measure out distilled water of required volume, which is 10 ml, and we'll add this 10 ml of distilled water in the test tube with barium chloride. With this step, we have already completed the preparation of two chemical reagents which are required for our McFarland standard, which are 1% weight by volume of barium chloride and 1% volume by volume H2SO4 sulfuric acid. For the preparation of 0.5 McFarland, we require 0.05 ml of 1% of barium chloride, which we are measuring out with the help of pipette, and we are pouring it in the test tube with a label of 0.5 McFarland. In addition to this, we require 9.95 ml of 1% H2SO4, which we are measuring out with the help of measuring cylinder. After getting our required volume, we are adding this 1% H2SO4 to the test tube with barium chloride, and the final volume of the mixture is 10 ml of 0.5 McFarland. We have to secure this test tube with the cap for the further use. For the quality check, of the preparation, we require to check the absorbance reading at 625 nanometer, and the reading should come in within the range of 0.08 to 0.1. After getting our reading value checked, we can pass the quality of the preparation and we can use it further in the microbiology laboratory. Thank you.